I am very happy to know that National Archaeology Day of Sri Lanka falls on 7th July on the title of Archaeology Fortnight of Sri Lanka. Department of Archaeology, Government of Sri Lanka organized a series of activities from 1st to 14th July to celebrate this day. On this day, I'd like to extend my heartfelt congratulations on behalf of our country, Bangladesh, and Amitabho, the literary cultural journal which I have edited for the last 20 years, not to each other. I hope that this great effort and endeavor to celebrate the National Archaeology Day in Sri Lanka will create remarkable momentum and incentive among archaeologists around the world. In 2018, I went to Sri Lanka on the occasion of the International Association of Theravada Buddhist Universities IATBU 5th International Conference 2018. It hosted by Buddhist and Pali University of Sri Lanka under the patronage of the Sri Lankan government. I am very much glad and proud that I was present as only the invited Bangladeshi delegate. In the session of paper presentation of part the Buddhist heritage in Asia, that was the subject Buddhist heritages of ancient Bengal and overview of archaeological study. After the conference, I have visited some site of archaeological heritages in Sri Lanka like Kelaniya Temple, Kandy Royal Temple, Royal House and Museum, Anuradhapur Mahabodhi Tree Temple, and Mahayanagana Stupa, including the tallest standing Buddha statue in Asia at Kandy, University of Peradeniya campus, and so on. However, due to lack of time, I did not get a chance to visit the medieval capital Polonnaruwa, the cave temple of Dambulla, Sigiriya, Sripado, and many other historical places. At last, I'd like to say everybody, once you can visit our country, Bangladesh, remember that if you have to know ancient Bengal, one need to rely on Buddhist archaeological heritages of Bangladesh. Note that Paharpur Buddhist Monastery, Sompur Mahavihara, one of the most important archaeological sites in Bangladesh, and declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. I think the ancient Bengali society and its culture, politics, economy are reflected in the historic Buddhist monastic traditions. Various materials of the campus which are recovered from archaeological excavations. These mythological memories are sign of glorious history, heritage, and identity of the nation. I wish today the National Archaeology Day celebration a great grand success. Thank you to the organizer for giving me the opportunity to say something today. Everyone is hoping to get rid of the pandemic COVID-19. May all beings be happy. Regards and thank you all.